Hello students, I am Harkishandarji from the Gujarat. Today I am going to teach about the neutralization process in the standard 7 chapter number 5 acid base and salts. So for the learning purpose, first of all we will see the activity. So look the activity. Here in the activity, take a test tube. Then add 1/4 amount of the test tube by the diluted hydrochloric acid. Then look the color of the hydrochloric acid. That was the color, not any color. Then add 2-3 drops of the phenolphthalein indicate and stir the test tube. The color change was not there, and there was not any color present into the test tube. So now the this test tube is filled by the acidic solution, that was the diluted hydrochloric acid. Now add sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop and observe the color change into the test tube. So now we added the sodium hydroxide solution into the test tube drop by drop, and what was the color change? That was the color change into the pink color. That indicates the presence of solution basic. So when the solution becomes the basic, the color represents the pink color test tube. So that indicates the neutralization process. When the solution becomes the basic, the color will be changed into the pink color. Now add 1 or 2 drop of the diluted hydrochloric acid and observe the color change. What you see? The color was disappeared immediately after adding the diluted hydrochloric acid. Now the solution is basic. Now for the removal of the basic solution, the removal of basicity, add 1 or 2 3 drops of diluted hydrochloric acid and observe the color change. Now we added the diluted hydrochloric acid, and the color pink color was immediately disappeared. That indicates the solution of base acidic solution. That indicates the solution becomes the acidic. So this is the neutralization process. When the solution is acidic, we added the sodium hydroxide solution. The color change was the pink color solution. Pink color. That indicates the presence of basic solution. Now what we did, we added one more 2-3 drops of hydrochloric acid. The color was disappeared immediately. So this is the neutralization process, and that removes the acidicity and the basicity vice versa. So we conclude that in the neutralization process the solution becomes the neutral, so that removes the effect of the acidicity and the basicity. The reaction between the acidic and the basic, that is called the neutralization process. But you have to observe the what is happened to the test tube. You have to touch the test tube after the neutralization process. That is, the test tube becomes the warm. That indicates the chemical reaction was happened, and the after chemical reaction the heat is see, it is generated. That is called the neutralization process. Thank you, my dear students.